Hi, hello to everyone. In this video, I'm going to find a problem from complex numbers. The question is find the amplitude of z, which is equals to sine alpha plus I 1 minus cos alpha, and the value is between alpha is between 0 and pi. Okay, so first let us take z equals to sine alpha plus I into 1 minus cos alpha. What is the amplitude of z? Amplitude is nothing but the angle made by OP. Okay, this is the amplitude. This is the amplitude angle made by OP with x-axis. With x-axis. Okay, so how to find it? What is the formula for that? AMP. How to denote AMP of Z? Amplitude of Z is equals to tan inverse of imaginary part of Z by real part of Z. Okay, so in this, what is the imaginary part and what is the real part? This is imaginary and this is the real. So substitute that here, which is equals to tan inverse of 1 minus cos alpha by sin alpha. Okay, now this we have to simplify. Okay, for this 1 minus cos alpha, how you will get is take sin alpha by 2, which is equals to root of 1 minus cos alpha by 2. Okay, now squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. Sin square alpha by 2 equals to root of 1 minus cos alpha by 2 whole square, cancel, and 2 comes this side, which is 2 sin square alpha by 2 equals to 1 minus cos alpha. Next, sin alpha, how we will get? Let us see. Sin alpha equals to, actually sin alpha by 2 equals to root of 1 minus cos alpha by 2. And what is cos alpha? Cos alpha equals to root 1 minus cos alpha by 2. 1 plus cos alpha by 2. Now you multiply these two. Sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 equals to root of 1 minus cos square alpha by 4 you will get. A minus b into a plus b. A square plus a square minus b square. That only I wrote here. So sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 equals to root of 1 minus cos square alpha by 2. This 2 comes this side. 2 sin alpha cos alpha equals to under root you will get 1 minus cos square alpha is nothing but sin square alpha, right? Root sin square alpha is nothing but sin alpha. So these are the two results you will use here. So AMP of Z is equals to tan inverse of 1 minus cos alpha what ma? 2 sin square alpha by 2 by 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2. Okay, 2 cancel, sin alpha in this one sin alpha cancel, what left? Tan inverse of sin alpha by 2 by cos alpha by 2, which is equals to tan inverse of tan alpha by 2. Okay, actually this amplitude is nothing but theta, right? So theta is equals to tan inverse of tan alpha by 2. Here tan inverse tan get cancelled and remains theta equals to alpha by 2. Okay, and okay, that is the solution. Theta is equals to alpha by 2. Okay.